Hey there folks, Mark from Brokerkit here. I wanted to talk to you today about using Facebook advertising to help scale your real estate agent recruiting. So a lot of people think of the struggles first, where the time and planning needed to go into it might be too much, and also not utilizing the data metrics can be costly. But a lot of the opportunities can strongly outweigh that because you can reach a really big audience. You can target specifically the agents you want to bring on. You can easily use high quality engaging content, and it's an easy way to track impressions, clicks, make sure what you're doing is working. So a lot of people are used to the situation where HR is looking to fill open positions for agents, utilizing maybe job boards or recruiting agencies, both of which work, but often aren't bringing in those high quality candidates that you might want. And also, recruiting agencies can be pretty pricey on top of that. So a lot of people are turning to Facebook marketing because the struggle to find agents is ever present. It's getting more and more of an issue. And luckily, there's a solution. About 67% of job seekers actually already use Facebook to look for jobs. So think of it like a framework where at the top we've got the awareness level, where we'll do some research, set up some targeted ads in Facebook, making sure to follow any of their restrictions and guidelines. They are particular around real estate and employment, so be sure to check those out. But also then we're going to be able to move to the second stage, which is consideration. And this is where you're going to engage with them with that high quality content. You're going to nurture them if they need more time before joining. And then after that, you're going to want to drive your Facebook traffic to a dedicated landing page. That way it's optimized for this type of funnel. And be sure to be consistent with your messaging. That way what you had in the ad is going to sync up here and then reinforce that value proposition clearly. Do check out Brokerkit. We actually have a recruiting retention CRM, and part of it includes a built-in landing page that's optimized already for this type of recruiting funnel. And then ultimately, we're going to get them to the bottom of the funnel, which is definitely where you want to be, where we're having those final talks, or we're bringing them on to onboard, and also retaining agents for the long haul after we onboard them to ensure they stay with us for years and years to come. So, a lot of people think that while Facebook advertising is useful, it's maybe not necessarily for their company, but a nice statistic is 59% of global social media users are actually on Facebook. So it's a costly assumption if you're not utilizing it. So just to review, think of that funnel where we want to try and build high quality leads from the offset at the very top. That way, as we move them down the funnel, it's more likely to convert and we're having better, more realistic conversations. So just to review, a couple next steps for you. First, you want to do that research, make sure you've really defined exactly what type of agent your ad is going to target, and then create some custom content to go along with that. That way it's engaging. And then you want to develop the ad itself, being as specific as possible, but also making sure you're following those Facebook guidelines, especially when it comes to real estate and employment. And then after that, ideally, you're going to drive that traffic to a dedicated landing page that's optimized for that funnel. Again, check out Brokerkit. We have a recruiting retention CRM, and it already includes a landing page that's optimized for recruiting. And then after that, you're going to want to nurture folks, qualify them, make sure that they deserve more work, and then ultimately convert those leads to members on your team. So don't wait another minute. Get started today. Facebook recruiting is a great way to boost your team.